Good morning. It's 6 a.m. and your brain is in theta state. This is the most powerful time to rewire how you think. Most people fail to speak English fluently because they translate. They think in their native language first, then translate to English. That translation kills your speed, kills your confidence, and kills fluency. Today I will teach you a 15-minute morning routine that changes everything. But this is the extended 20-minute version with full examples and science. No cut, no mistake, just pure training with a deep clear male voice. Your brain has neuroplasticity, it can learn to think directly in English. In the morning, your subconscious mind is still open and highly suggestible. Theta brain waves are active, between sleep and wakefulness. This is when affirmations and new thinking patterns stick 10 times faster. If you do this routine for 21 days, thinking in English becomes automatic. You will stop translating and start responding instantly. Let's begin. Set a timer. We have 4 powerful steps. Step 1 is called silent scan. Duration is 3 minutes. Look around your room right now. Don't speak yet, just observe. See your bed, your pillow, your window, your water bottle. Say them in your mind only, in English. Bed. Pillow. Window. Water. No translation. Just label what you see directly in English. If you don't know a word, describe it. Like black box with light. That is okay. Description is still thinking in English. Example, you see your phone charger. You think charging cable. You see curtains. Think curtains are closed, light is soft. You see your shoes. Think shoes near the door, I will wear them. Do not say it out loud yet. Just think it silently for 3 minutes. This builds your internal English observer. Most people never train this silent observer, so they stay stuck. After 3 minutes of silent scanning, your brain is warmed up. Now you are ready to speak. Step 2 is mirror talk. This is 5 minutes and it is life-changing. Go to a mirror. Look into your own eyes. This removes fear. For the first 14 days, you will feel awkward. That is normal. Speak slowly. Fluency is not speed, fluency is clarity and confidence. Say this, good morning. I am training my brain to think in English. Say, I am not perfect, but I am improving every single day. Say, I am not afraid of mistakes, mistakes are my teachers. Now talk about yourself for 2 minutes, only in English. Say, my name is Jack, I am learning to think in English naturally. Say, today I feel calm, focused, and ready to speak. Do not worry about grammar. Speak in simple present sentences. Example, I wake up early. I drink water. I breathe deeply. I am ready. If you forget a word, use another simple word. Keep flowing. Never stop to translate. If you stop, just say next sentence. This mirror practice rewires your identity from learner to speaker. Your subconscious starts believing you are an English speaker. After 5 minutes, your voice becomes steady, your eyes confident. This is the foundation of real fluency, not textbook rules. Step 3 is yesterday story. This takes 4 minutes. Now tell your yesterday in English, with real emotions and details. Don't just say I woke up. Say how you felt when you woke up. Start like this, yesterday I woke up feeling very sleepy. My alarm was loud and I felt angry for a second. I went to the kitchen and made coffee, but I burned my tongue. It hurt, so I felt frustrated and a little silly. Then I took a crowded bus to work, it was noisy and hot. I felt tired and frustrated because the bus was late again. At work, I listened to a podcast in English for 20 minutes. I did not understand every word, but I felt motivated to learn more. In the evening, I talked to my friend and felt happy and relaxed. Before sleep, I read a short story and felt proud of myself. See the difference? Sleepy, angry, burned tongue, crowded bus. Frustrated, motivated, happy, proud. These emotions create memory. Your brain remembers stories with emotions 7 times stronger. So always add feeling words. I felt nervous, excited, calm, confident. Tell yesterday for 4 minutes every morning, add new emotions daily. This trains your brain to think in past tense naturally. No grammar book can teach this feeling of real storytelling. After this, your English starts to feel alive, not academic. Step 4 is future movie. This is the final 3 minutes. Close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine your future in English. See yourself speaking English fluently in a meeting, with confidence. Hear your own voice, clear and slow and powerful. Now speak it out loud as if it is already happening tomorrow. Say, tomorrow I will wake up and think in English immediately. Say, tomorrow I will speak without fear and without translation. Say, people will understand me and I will feel confident and free. This future visualization tells your brain what to become. Now the final 1 minute is for affirmations. Repeat with me. I think in English. I speak in English. I dream in English. English is easy for me. English is natural for me. My brain is fast. My memory is strong. I am fluent. Every day my English is getting better and better. I am not a translator, I am an English thinker. Now your 21-day challenge. Do this routine every single morning. No excuses. 15 minutes, or this extended 20-minute version. Put your phone on airplane mode, stand in front of mirror, and start. Day 1 to 7 will be hard. Day 8 to 14 will be easier. Day 15 to 21, you will think in English automatically. This is the routine that trains your brain to think in English forever. Very important. Not about success. About failure. Because failure is the best teacher. When I was young, nobody believed in me. I failed my primary school exam 2 times. I failed my middle school 3 times. I failed my university entrance exam 3 times. I applied for Harvard 10 times. All rejected. When KFC came to China, 24 people applied for the job. 23 were accepted. I was the only one rejected. When I applied for police job, 5 people applied, 4 accepted, I was rejected again. My cousin and I waited 2 hours for police interview. They said, "You are not good." So many rejections. So many people told me, "Jack, you cannot do it. You look ugly. You have no money. You have no background. You have no relationship. How can you succeed?" But you know what? I never gave up. I kept telling myself, today is difficult, tomorrow is more difficult, but day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die tomorrow evening. So you have to work very hard. In 1999, I started Alibaba in my small apartment. We had only 18 people. We had no money. Investors said, "This model will never work. This Jack Ma is crazy. Internet in China? Nobody uses internet." But we believed. We believed in our dream more than anyone believed in us. First 3 years, we made 0 revenue. 0. My team was worried. My wife said, maybe we should stop. But I told them, if we don't give up, we still have chance. If we give up, we have 0 chance. You see, the difference between successful people and other people is not about how smart they are. Many smart people failed. The difference is, successful people never give up. They fail, they stand up. Fail again, stand up again. Again and again. People ask me, Jack, what is the secret of Alibaba? I say, we have no secret. We just work hard for our customers. Customer first, employee second, shareholder third. If customer happy, everything else will be okay. Never worry about competition. Worry about your customers. Competition is like playing chess. If you keep looking at your competitor's board, you will lose your own game. Focus on your customers. Many young people today ask me, Jack, I have no money, how can I start business? I tell them, when you have money, you already lost opportunity. When Bill Gates started Microsoft, did he have money? No. When I started Alibaba, I had only $50,000 from my friends. Money follows dream, not opposite. If you want to start a business, you need 3 things. First, you need a good team. One person cannot do anything. Second, you need to find what you love. If you don't love it, you cannot persist when problem comes. Third, you need to be optimistic. An entrepreneur must be optimistic, otherwise how you survive? I always tell young people, don't worry about making money. Make yourself valuable first. If you are valuable, money will come. If you are not valuable, even you have money today, tomorrow you lose it. And please, do things differently. Don't do what everybody does. If everybody says yes, you should think about no. If everybody thinks this opportunity is good, maybe it's not opportunity anymore. Real opportunity is where people complain. Where there is complaint, there is opportunity. In next 30 years, world will change a lot. Artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing will change every business. But don't fear technology. Technology should serve people, not replace people. Machine has chip, human has heart. Machine is smart, human is wise. Wisdom comes from experience, from failure, from heart. So for young people, my advice is simple. You are young, you have nothing to lose. Make mistakes. Fall down. But learn from your mistakes. Don't repeat same mistake. If you keep making same mistake, that's not mistake, that's your choice. I made many mistakes in Alibaba. Biggest mistake is I told my team too early that our business model was good. I made them believe too early. Also, I made mistake that I trusted many wrong people in early days. But we learned. Every mistake is income. Every failure is experience. When you are 20 to 30 years old, find a good boss, join a good company to learn. When you are 30 to 40, do something yourself if you want to be entrepreneur. When you are 40 to 50, do what you are good at. When you are 50 to 60, help young people. When you are over 60, spend time with grandchildren. Life is like that. Don't worry too much. Every person has their own timing. Some people become CEO at 25 and die at 50. Some become CEO at 50 and live to 90. Your life is not a race with others. It's a journey with yourself. And remember, success is not about how much money you make. Success is about how many people you help. If you help many people, money will follow as result, not as goal. Today, many people complain about problems. They say government not good, company not good, education not good. But I say, if you complain, you should have solution. If you have solution, you have opportunity. Don't just complain. Take action. In my life, I learned one very important lesson. Help others. When you help others, you help yourself. When I help small businesses on Alibaba platform, Alibaba grows. When small business succeeds, we succeed. That's ecosystem. So never give up. Your worst enemy is not others. Your worst enemy is you give up on yourself. If you don't give up, there is always chance. I failed so many times, but I never gave up. And look where we are today. Last thing I want to tell you. Dream. Have a big dream. A dream that scares you. If your dream doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. And then work very hard for your dream. Work with your heart. And never, never, never give up. Because today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but day after tomorrow will be sunshine. And most people die tomorrow night. So keep going. Your sunshine is coming. Thank you very much.